Hello, my name is Joseph Johnson. I am in the Education 629 class, and I'm going to give you information on how we're going to utilize new technology in our parent computer initiative. We're teaching our parents to use computers, and we're going to start with Teams. We want to give them an overview of how they're going to be able to use Teams in their personal lives and how they can assist their children and their students in using Teams. Teams is a collection of people, content, and tools based on a project or a group. So we're going to be using this uh, Teams for the purpose of helping our parents to understand how they can stay in contact with the school, as well as how they can respond to teachers' requests or conferences. As you can see along the left side, there's a toolbar. The toolbar includes activities, chats, teams, assignments, calendar, calls, or files. So under the activities, it allows you to be able to create teams, to create new teams. Say, for example, if I wanted to create a parent team, I would go there and I would call it Gillespie Parent Team. As you can see, I've created a team or a group that's called Gillespie Park Parent Team. And I can use this team to communicate with my parents. Teams also gives me an opportunity to chat with my parents if I needed to create a chat for them, or if we needed to have some opportunities to chat together, we can create a private chat. And Teams has information on how to go about creating that chat and establishing chats that could be used very effectively between teachers, between teacher and parents, and between parents themselves. I'll go back over and show you how to create teams. This is another information about the actual teams that are being established or that could be established. There's a calendar that can show you where your team meetings are, where you have appointments, where there are things that are occurring that are going to be necessary for you to be aware of. You could also call some of your teammates if you needed to call someone or have a scheduled call or an individual call. You can do so by calling them using the speed dial. And you can also call them by use of video. Teams is a very flexible and effective way of being able to keep track of your files. Also, it allows you to be able to integrate other applications into the Teams app as well. So this is Microsoft Teams is a way to be able to help parents to stay in contact and to stay involved. I want to be able to use this this app or this platform to help my parents as we learn how to use technology from the parents' perspective for our students at Gillespie Park Elementary School. Thank you for watching.